How to fix Instagram create account error. It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, hit the subscribe button. That's helped me guys, so thank you. So I now opened Instagram and trying to create a new account, and there's showing many issues. So in this video we will solve those things. So just follow the steps. So first of all, just you can check it out all the things that your internet connection is stable and your storage space is not running out. So when you check it out, internet connection and space, just you can retry that your account should be created. So if this not work, then just uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app. That will help you. So in this case, this will help you, and just restart your device. After that, just open Instagram and try to create an account, and your account will be created. So that's the process how you can fix Instagram create account error. So hope this helps you. Then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.